Welcome back to Planet James, where anything that takes place on the planet can take place on this channel. Today we will be making a slingshot. For the slingshot, we will be needing 2 chairs or levels of space, and they have to be the same exact height. We will need 2 springs with 2 circles on each end. I got them for my Nerf guns, but you have to be able to put the Nerf gun back together with the spring in it. We will be needing string. It doesn't really matter how long. We'll be needing duct tape and 2 pencils, mechanical pencils with those things on them for the springs to attach on them. We'll need scissors, and finally a paper clip. First, I am going to move these tall chairs into a position. I'm going to move the flat surface the same height across from each other like this. Second, I'm going to place my mechanical pencil like that with the end of the pencil at the chair on both sides, and make sure that this part is on the top. And then I am going to duct tape. Use my tape to tape it to the ground like that on both pencils. So I'm gonna do it to my second one. It doesn't really matter how long the duct tape is, as long as it can keep the pencil on the flat surface. And make sure you tape it so that this top piece right here is up like that. On the third step, I'm going to put the spring, this part, through this thing. Okay, got that one. Now I'm going to do the other one with my other spring. So now that I got both springs, I'm going to put the spring through this other hole right here, like this. And I'm going to tie a knot. Put it around the spring and then through like that. And then I'm going to do it to the other side. Just scooch this a little closer. And then tie a knot. And there is the base. Okay, fifth, I'm going to take this paper clip and bend it so it's almost in a straight line. And then I'm going to use my scissors and cut it in half. I'm just going to use this piece. And I'm going to bend it. You have to be very careful doing this. Make sure you do not pierce yourself. Like, have an adult supervising you as you bend this to make sure you don't cut yourself. Okay, I bent and then bend it into a shape like this. Okay, so I have my 2 launch items, I guess. They're half paper clips. I found the other one. This one was kind of hard to mold. what I'm going to do is I'm going to launch it. I'm going to put it around the string like this, and then pull it back, and okay. Make sure that you don't have it aiming into places where it could like break things. Like have an adult like supervising using Logic 2, because that would be really bad if something broke. And I'm going to launch my second one. And by the way, this project might require adult supervision. Thank you for watching this video on how to make a slingshot. I hope you liked this project and I hope you tried it. Make sure you to tell your friends about Planet James. Make sure to push the like and subscribe. Thank you and goodbye.